What's going on, my friends? It's your friend Jack here, and this is the 15th episode of Redbubble Shop Reviews. This is also the 15th take of this intro for this video, so go ahead and smash the like button if you enjoy any point of this video going forward. Alright, the first shop we have today that we're going to be looking at is 10 PM Creations, and this is Sarah's shop. Sarah comments on all my videos. Thank you so much for the support. And today we're going to be reviewing their shop. So let's go ahead and let's take a look. Get an awesome banner, very creative, has the name there. I love it. And I love the logo, looks good. 300 designs from Kitchener, Canada. So actually pretty close to me. And let's go ahead and look here. So first collection is Plant People. Good collection, very artsy. Looks like it's all hand drawn and it all looks really good. So I'm really liking this. Your tags, make sure you just make sure the copy's not there, but really these designs look really good, and I'm hoping you're getting some traffic to your shop because it seems like a lot of this stuff is hand drawn. You also have sticker packs, which is really good. Plant person, creepy human face with plant person. So just make sure you're making your designs searchable. Let's go. I really want to go ahead and just look at this one because it looks really cool. So creepy human face with plant leaf, repeat print sticker. So what I would do for like search terms wise is try to make this title a little bit more like, what are people going to search for? And they find this design and they're going to want it. So I don't think that many people are looking for creepy human face with plant leaf. As descriptive as that is and as accurate as that is, you could make it something like cool plant lover design, or like something to do with like plants, an abstract kind of concept, plant lover art, something like that. More of a searchable term, but it's a really good design. And yeah, just make sure your SEO kind of matches what people will search for, so your designs can get seen and bought, because I'm sure people will buy this. Yeah, your product tag's really good, so just try to bring these tags over to your title as well, and I think you're gonna get some more traffic. But let's go back to your page and let's continue looking at your shop. You have awesome sticker packs, some awesome designs. It looks like you know what you're doing in terms of product, like product picking. You're picking the right products. You're putting them on shirts, masks, stickers. This looks really cool. Lots of cool different things, and I like this little ghost. He's pretty cool. But yeah, just make sure your SEO or your title matches your tags, and make it kind of as searchable as possible. Not saying you won't get people seeing your designs with these titles, but you can increase your chances if you kind of match that title with those types of tags that are describing your design, and putting them in searchable terms. And looking down here, you have a lot of good designs, and it looks like you are more of an artist, which is really good for Redbubble. Definitely keep making these types of designs. I love these ones here. Look really good. It looks like they're hand drawn. And all your designs actually look really good. Your shop looks pretty professional. Looks really nice. Even have some nice photography here. Not sure if you took these photos yourself, but either way, they look really good, really cool, and they're unique. So I like that. Keep on scrolling. Lots of different designs, lots of different things. Let's go ahead. 146 favorites. Pretty good stuff for 300 designs. Not sure when you joined, but keep up the great work. And yeah, I would just watch your titles a little bit. And if you're doing hand-drawn stuff, you don't have to pump out 100 designs a day or 100 designs a month. Just make your designs as unique as possible if you're more of an artist, because I know designs can take a lot of time, but hand-drawn stuff also sells really well on Redbubble, especially in sticker format. So thank you, Sarah, for submitting your shop. And with that being said, let's go to the second shop for this episode, which is OD from CG. I don't know if I read that right. I think I did. So we got some cool designs in the background. It's kind of hard to tell that they're designs. It's a little bit hard to read this text, so I might just differentiate the text from the designs, kind of split it up a bit, just so it's a little bit more readable. But I like the concept of the banner. It's pretty good. Joined July 2020, so about right before when I did, and 1,400 designs. So pumping out designs. That's what I like to see. Give me your number. I'm friendly. Lovely, funny, witty. So nice little collection here. Some funny sayings. I like that. Scrolling down here, famous celeb influencers. Be careful with the copyrights on that, but good collections here. You got lots of collections. Dog, pug, puppy. Lots of different collections, so that's good. Even have a stickers collection. That is an interesting face. But yeah, we're going to keep scrolling here. I love smoothies, heart frequency, coffee, heart frequency. So some nice designs. I'm not sure why there's a straw in the coffee there, but I mean, I bet someone would still buy it. And just make sure your stickers, those little pixels can be annoying. So just double check for that, but I'm sure you already know that. But going back and fixing that, it sometimes isn't worth it. If you go to best selling, it might even be a design that's selling for you. I don't know. And there's a good chance it is a design that's selling, and if so, you could go back and fix it and just up that conversion rate, because someone might see that and they might be like, what the heck is that? But yeah, good stuff, definitely good stuff. I like that. I like these designs with the heart line. Definitely people like smoothies and coffee are gonna like those designs. Bed cover, roll deep. I'm not really sure what this is, but just make sure you're watching your product placement, that you're picking the right products for basically what your design is. I'm not sure what that is. Roll deep. So maybe I'm just missing something. But going down here, this is a sticker. Ooh, that's kind of cool. Looks like you have some, like, you kept the background on some of these to make them, bigger stickers, which is actually a pretty good idea. Yeah, it's actually a really good idea. You even have a lot of greeting cards, which also look really good. You got some scalable designs here. Honestly, I like this approach of scalable designs. Definitely keep that up. I think maybe not so sporadic with the colors. That's just my opinion, though. I could be completely wrong. Keeping it plain, simple, and clean always kind of is what I like to do. And bright colors could work too. Different people like different things for sure. But yeah, you have lots of different designs, lots of different niches. You're targeting tons of different people. Keep testing things out, I would say, and keep adding designs. But yeah, there's a lot of different things you could do. I'm not sure if you're on other platforms or where you are at. But for your Redbubble shop, in terms of Redbubble, I would just maybe tone it down on the colors a bit. A lot of people just like simple black and white stuff, or not so sporadic things. But I mean, people are going to still buy very colorful things. So maybe that's a completely wrong assumption for me to make. But it looks like you have all your products on the right things. Real quick, let's go take a look at your tags. And yeah, just once again, just mentioning, be careful with your, copyrights. I know you did have what was it? Famous celeb influencers. Just be careful with things like this. Some of these can not work so well, but it looks like I can't really tell what here would be famous celeb influencers. Maybe I'm just missing the point, but yeah, I don't know. Anyways, let's go look at your tags. So I don't want to go for this because I don't really understand that section. We're going to look at your tags for I love coffee, because this is something that I can actually understand. I know what coffee is. Love coffee, heart frequency, hot, red, black, cold, brew, taste, look for coffee. So I like these tags. One thing I would mention though is just add a few more keyword pairs, like I love coffee. Wait, did you already have that in there? All in one tag, and things related to your title as well. And then maybe coffee heartline one tag, because you don't have heartline in here, I believe, or heartbeat. Coffee is a coffee addict, coffee addiction. A few more different ideas that you could put in here to rank for different keywords that would also be good and applicable to this design. But overall, good stuff. And thank you for submitting your shop, OD from CG. With that being said, let's go to the third shop for the shop reviews, which is John Byrne. I hope I said that right, and I probably didn't, so I'm sorry if I did not. So let's look ahead here. Nice logo, face, not bad, I like it. And we're gonna look at the banner. It's graffiti, some art, not bad. Could be like more related to your shop, but it looks like a personal kind of shop. You're kind of just advertising yourself, which is perfectly fine. You got 2 collections, 158 designs, joined January 2021, so you've been pumping out quite a bit of designs. Sorry, I'm yawning. I'm a little bit tired here, but we're going to look here, and first things first, I would recommend picking your product. I know this can be annoying to go back and fix, but for your products, or for at least your future products, go to the section at the bottom, and instead of making it have optimized, go ahead and just put t-shirt, or whatever looks good on that sells. So t-shirts, masks, greeting cards, stickers, those are the things I would recommend. Not that many people are going to buy duvets, things like that. And yeah, that's my biggest tip, honestly, right now, looking at your shop. Keep making designs, and your design skills are going to get better too. And over time, you are gonna make more sales because your designs are getting better. And also keep an eye on your niches. Make sure you're going to niches that are high competition, not high competition, high demand and lower competition if you can. I'm not really sure about all of these designs. I'm not going to go and look at how competitive each one is, but just saying that to keep that in mind for someone who's just starting on Redbubble. And also, sticker packs, really good idea to have in your shop. And yeah, I would not put your designs on duvets. Make sure you're not using the optimized tab. Pick your product manually, whether it be a sticker, a shirt, or a greeting card, or a mask. Now, one last thing before I leave your shop, because I am curious. 31 favorites. That's actually pretty good. And we're gonna look. We're gonna look over here at something like one of these niches that I actually know what's going on. So pepperoni attacks. So you have it on a scarf. You could easily just put this on a shirt and it would look a lot better. We're gonna scroll down here. We're gonna look at 63 products. So you could enable it on some more products for sure. Make sure in the t-shirt section you go to the little grayed out bar underneath the first tab. I'm not exactly sure to explain it, and you make sure all those are checked, the baby shirts and all the shirts, just to make sure you have more products enabled, different types of shirts. In terms of product tags, you have your shop name in here. I'm not sure how effective that is, honestly, but it probably isn't hurting your listing. I can't be for certain on that. And you have some nice tags here. You look like you kind of know what you're doing. Graphic art, graphic sharks, kind of have some weird tags in there that aren't exactly related. I think if someone looked up graphic sharks and they found this pizza design, they probably wouldn't be too liking it. So just make sure you pay attention to your tags. This looks like more or less a bestseller tags kind of listing, but make sure your tags are actually related to your design. That way you can make more relevant searches, and when you're in the searches you get clicked on more often, because if not, your listing is not going to get seen and Redbubble is not going to want to push it. So definitely pay attention to your tags and make sure they are heavily related to your design as much as possible. And then change the default product to a t-shirt or a mask. Probably for this I would do t-shirt or a greeting card or a sticker, because a sticker would actually look really good on here. But I would not say a scarf, because in my opinion scarves don't sell that well on Redbubble, especially when they're not really scarf specific, because it's kind of hard to see the whole design like this if you're wearing it as a scarf. Alright, now we're going to go to the last and final shop, which is Eastern Wisdom 1. For some reason I'm scrolled down a bit here. I love the banner. Looks really good. Clothing and accessories. And yeah, I actually really like this banner. It looks really cool. Might have to get that as my desktop background. But anyways, 600 designs. Joined December 2020. So killing it. Lots of designs. We got here Crypto King. Who let the Doge out? Some really crypto and stock market related designs. I think that's a good niche. I like that. Especially recently, that has been a really good niche. And we're going to scroll down here. 9 collections. Yoga, meditation, Mary Mother of Jesus sticker. Some questionable things, but those things sell. So if it's a fan art, just make sure you're in your rights. I'm not 100% sure. You have a cool little image here of a drawing of a funny Doge. I like that a lot. You got some cool different types of designs, and it looks like you know what you're doing in terms of products. You're picking the right products. You're putting the right products on different things. You have a lot of sunset designs, and I like that a lot. I think those look great. And definitely, yeah, keep pumping out designs. And I like how you're in a bunch of different niches, lots of designs. If these stock markets designs are working a lot, definitely keep pumping them out. You have a lot of Who Let the Doge Out. Maybe you like Doge, maybe you're a fan. I'm a fan. 700 favorites with 600 designs, so more favorites than myself. And it looks like you found some success in some of these niches, which I really, really like. And yeah, keep making designs and double down on what's working. Looks like you're doing quite well for yourself. And honestly, just keep making designs. And let's go ahead and look at this design. Who let the Doge out? Kind of just pasted the Doge on this this place it. I think it's a place it sunset. I do recognize that one, but it looks hilarious, and I'm sure people would buy it, especially on Redbubble, as a sticker or a shirt. It's funny. It looks pretty cool. And let's go down here. Lots of different tags, lots of relevant tags, lots of long keyword tags, so good tags. This one's a bit spammy, but overall you have a lot of tags. A little bit of spam there. Probably would take it back a bit on the spam. But yeah, lots of different tags here that are very relevant and good stuff. I'm gonna look here on 92 products, lots of products too, and that is good stuff. Real quick before we go, just want to take a look at your shop one more time and just see the best-selling designs. I know this isn't 100% accurate. Just want to take a look at what could be selling in your shop, and just taking a look. And it looks like even something like this, which I don't know what it is selling or it's popular in your shop. But whatever this is, you might want to make more of it. But I don't know what it is. If it is, something to do with a brand, then I'd be careful. But I don't think it is. Just a cool looking circle. Maybe I'm completely oblivious, but good stuff overall. Eastern Wisdom 1. Thank you for submitting your shop. And yeah, keep killing it. Keep making designs. Double down on what's working. With that being said, that's the end of the shop review. Alright, and that's the last shop reviews for this week. And honestly, I believe I'm going to put these shop reviews on pause for a little bit. Maybe do them every other week. Just because I don't think they are as popular on the channel. I don't think they're as useful for people. Essentially, I am saying the same things over and over again. And I think it would be better spent making other videos to help you guys make sales on your print-on-demand platforms. And also, if you guys object to this, you can let me know down in the comments below if you would like me to continue doing shop reviews week after week. But I think it would be better spent on a different type of video to help you guys. And overall, I do like doing the shop reviews, but they are a bit repetitive in my opinion. If you guys want to check out the other episodes to learn about any other tips I might have mentioned, like resizing your listings to make sure they fit on certain products, or any of my other videos to learn about a little bit more print on demand, definitely go ahead and do that. But if you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's been your friend Jack, and as always, keep striving, stay blessed. See you guys in the next freaking video. Peace.